What is the probability of knowing what is going to happen after the elections, right? This chart right here shows us exactly what usually happens after every election. This is the chart of the US Russell 2000. Now, why we're using the US Russell 2000? Because the US Russell 2000 is a stock market index that measures the performance of 2000 smaller companies. As you can see, it's better used compared to the S&P 500 because it's a bellwether for the US economy. So through that chart, you can judge whether the US economy is doing fine. And right here, I have marked every single place where we had elections, or probably in the last 3 elections. As you can see in 2012, right here, this was after the elections. We saw that the Russell 2000 saw a massive pump to the upside. The same thing happened in 2016 when Trump won. We saw another push to the upside. 2012 was Obama. We saw a push to the upside. 2016 was Trump. We saw a push to the upside. 2020 was Joe Biden. We saw a massive push to the upside. And what has happened to Bitcoin in those periods? We can see the same thing has happened to Bitcoin, or basically the crypto market. After every elections, we usually see a massive pump right here in the crypto market, right? So as you can see in 2012 when Obama won, we can see that massive pump which we had in the crypto market right here for Bitcoin, or basically crypto in general. The same thing we saw in 2016 when Trump won. We saw a massive push to the upside right here in the crypto market. The same thing happened in 2020. We saw another massive push to the upside. So basically, we can safe to say that usually after elections, we usually see a massive push to the upside. Now, we want to estimate what could happen after this election and what could we see the price prediction right here for this coin. For the price prediction right here for Cardano, we are on the chart for Cardano versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame. KuCoin is the data source. And so for our price prediction, or our post-election price prediction theory, where we have said that for crypto, or since crypto was invented, after every elections, we usually see a massive pump. After every elections in the US, we see a massive pump every single time. So if that also happens exactly as predicted, we should be expecting a massive pump right here for the price of Cardano. Basically means we should be targeting the highs, or the former highs, at least minimum in November right here for Cardano, which means Cardano in November could target those previous highs at about the 87 cents. So we could see an 87 cents Cardano right here in November of this month, right? If the cycle, or the post-election cycle theory go exactly as predicted, we could see an 87 cents Cardano coming soon right here for Cardano. So I will be giving you updates as regards the post-election cycle theory. So make sure you click on the like button, click on subscribe button for more of this. Thank you for watching and have a blessed